chassis, brake, and suspension systems are the foundation of every safe, stable, and high-performing vehicle. Manufacturing these critical automotive components requires precision engineering, efficient production planning, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of chassis, brake, and suspension system manufacturing, helping businesses achieve greater efficiency and consistent product quality. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, machining, fabrication, assembly, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every process works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and ensures smooth production workflows. Manage complex production schedules with real-time visibility into work orders, machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability. Intelligent production planning helps optimize manufacturing capacity, reduce bottlenecks, and ensure timely delivery of every component.